Good morning, children. The last class you studied the multiplication table of 2 and our today's topic is multiplication table of 3. All of you look into the board, children. Here you can see some pictures of balloons, is it? In the first box you can see only one group of 3 balloons, is it? So how we will write 1 times 3 is 3. Now look into the second box. Here you can see 2 groups of 3 balloons each. So we can write it as 2 times 3 is 6. Now in the third box you can see 1, 2, 3 groups of 3 balloons each. So we can write it as 3 times 3 is 9. Now in the next box 4 groups of 3 balloons each. So we can write it as 4 times 3 is 12. Next one 5 groups of 3 balloons each. So we can write it as 5 times 3 is 15. Next we can see 6 group of 3 balloons each. So we can write it as 6 times 3 is 18. The next one we can see 7 groups of 3 balloons each. So we can write it as 7 times 3 is 21. In the next box we can see 8 groups of 3 balloons each. So we can write it as 8 times 3 is 24. The next box we can see 9 group of 3 balloons each. So we can write it as 9 times 3 is 27. And in the last box we can see 10 groups of 3 balloons each. So we can write it as 10 times 3 is 30. Clear? Now we can write this as a table of multiplication table of 3. We can read it as 1 times 3 is equal to 3, 2 times 3 is equal to 6, 3 times 3 is equal to 9, 4 times 3 is equal to 12, 5 times 3 is equal to 15, 6 times 3 is equal to 18, 7 times 3 is equal to 21, 8 times 3 is equal to 24, 9 times 3 is equal to 27, 10 times 3 is equal to 30. So children, you have to study the table, multiplication table of 3. And in the last class, you study the multiplication table of 2. Is it, children? And did you revise that table today also? You have to study all the tables every day. Okay, children, for that I will say you one thing. You have to write and keep all these tables in a piece of paper or a piece of chart paper. Okay, children. So already we studied the table of 2 and 3. So in a piece of chart paper you have to draw the line and write neatly the multiplication table of 2, and next column you have to write the multiplication table of 3. And in that same chart paper continue writing the next tables you will study the next classes, table of 4, 5, 6, all these tables you have to write and keep in this chart paper and keep it in your study room. Every day you have to read and practice these tables. Okay, children, and after studying 2 and 3 table, don't forget the 2's table, and after studying 4 and 5's table, don't forget the 3 and 2's table. So you have to practice every day all these tables, because after studying all these tables we have to do some multiplication questions using these tables. So that time don't say I don't know, I forgot all that table. Okay, so you have to write and keep in a piece of paper or a piece of chart paper, keep it in your study room or on your study table, and every day before you start studying maths you have to practice, read and practice every day. Okay, so you will get the table, you are thorough with the table, so you can do any questions using these tables. Okay children, so now we will do some exercise using this multiplication table of 3. Read the question. Find the product. What is the first question children? 6 times 3. What is the answer? 6 times 3. We study, those who study the table well, only they can able to write these answers. So 6 times 3. 6 3s are. What is the answer? 18. Now, next question is 3 times 3. 3 3s are. What is the answer? 9. Now, here look, 3 times 8. In the last class also you did one question like this, order change. From the table we know 8 times 3 is 24. So, here just the order change, 3 times 8. So, what will be the answer? 8 times 3 is 24. So, 3 times 8 is also 24. Now, the last question, 10 times 3. What is the answer? 10 3s are 30. So, now finish the horizontal questions. Now, we will discuss some vertical questions. Here children, 2 times 3. What is the answer? 2 3s are 6. Now, 0 into 3 multiplying by 0. What will be the answer? Always 0. Now, look at the next one. 3 times 4. What will be the answer? 4 3s are 12. Now, 5 3s are. What is the answer? 15. Okay. So, study the table, read and practice every day. Not only that particular table, which all tables you study, you have to write and keep in a paper and read and revise every day and do your questions in your worksheet also. Okay children, that's all for today's class. We'll see you in the next class.